Hello students, hello world. Dr. K here. This is question number 9. Let's go over it. Another math word problem. Let's see. At 6 p.m., the temperature was 2.5 Fahrenheit. Okay, 6 p.m., 2.5 Fahrenheit. Okay, that's pretty cold. Okay, by midnight, so a few hours later, by midnight, it had dropped by 6.8. By 6 a.m. the next day, it had risen by 3.4. What was the final temperature in Fahrenheit? Oh, okay, so we start with a number, and then we're either adding if the temperature rises, subtracting if the temperature is dropping to find the final temperature. Okay, enough talking. Let's just use the numbers. We start with 2.5. That is the temperature that we started with. By midnight, it had dropped by 6.8, so we then go negative 6.8. And then the next day, it had risen by 3.4. Then we go plus 3.4. So then we tell ourselves, okay, if we have the effect of all of that together, what is the final temperature? So we have three numbers here, three decimals, three numbers that are decimals. It doesn't really matter which we start. So we could assume, we could say, you know what, Dr. K, I'm going to start by doing it from left to right. So let me just do this first. And I cannot argue with that. I would say, okay, that's good. 2.5 minus 6.8. That would be negative 4.3. And then you have to do plus 3.4. So plus 3.4. So let's see. What do we get? We get minus 0.9. And the units are degrees Fahrenheit. And that would be our final temperature. Straightforward problem. This is not too complicated. It just has to be that you start with your initial temperature. That's the initial temperature right here. That's the 2.5. And then if it's negative, then you tell yourself, oh, okay, I'm going to subtract. And if it's positive, you're going to tell yourself, oh, I'm going to add. And really just put all the numbers together. Again, this is straightforward, but only if you have the confidence and you practice and you've listened in class. This is Dr. K. I have the best job in the world. I have the best students in the world. And my job is to make you a math genius. I am so proud of my students.